Hello and welcome back everybody to our channel. If you are looking out to hide applications on your Samsung Android device and you are wondering how to do so, these are probably the method you can follow pretty quick and easy. So let's get started. So in order to do so, once you access your home screen or your application screen, you need to look out for the three dot in the top right corner and select it. After you select it, a menu pops up. You can select the option of settings from there. And once you select the settings, all you need to it will open up your home screen settings here. You just need to scroll down and look out for the option called hide applications from here and tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you will be finding all of the applications that is currently available on your device. You can scroll through the list available, or you can directly search at the top and find the certain application that you would like to hide. For example, if I do not want this AR zone application available, you just need to click on it, select it up and tap on this done option, and it will automatically hide the applications available and you will no longer find the application on your home screen. If you want to unhide it, again tap on the three dot and select the option of settings, and within the settings you can go to hide apps, and from there look out for AR zone or the application that you've hidden and tap on this minus option. After that is done, again tap on done, and when you do, you will be finding the application once again back on your screen, which means that is how you hide applications on your Samsung. You can just go and follow it up. If you want to use the hidden applications once you've hidden it up, you just need to look out for the search at the top and type the app's name, and you can just go over and look out for the application that you're trying to use. So that is it everybody. Those are probably the method you can follow for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.